Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2017 17 plate Mercedes GLA 220d. Now this is the AMG line, so you get the more aggressive body styling. It's also the premium pack car, so it comes very well specified from the factory. The car itself is finished in the lovely obsidian black metallic paintwork. We're riding on these lovely 19-inch 5-spoke diamond turned alloy wheels with the mountain grey detailing in the centres. We've got privacy glass, lots of bright silver detailing, and then coming through to the rear we've got the GLA220d badges, 4Matic, meaning this is the 4-wheel drive car, but a lovely thing. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. So looking down the side of the car you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. Tyres are in nice condition. We've got LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors. We've got a headlamp wash, and then coming through to the interior, inside is a lovely ebony black, part leather, part Alcantara sport bucket seat. So we've got contrasting red stitch, leather on the bolsters, which I think you'll agree they are in absolutely fantastic order. In the centres we've got Alcantara, so it's nice and grippy, allows the seat to breathe. But inside it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell like it's ever had any pets in the back. We'll close the door and I'll show you around the cabin. So once you jump inside, the fit and finish in these cars are second to none. So we've got lots of bright silver inserts, we've got brushed aluminium detailing. All the buttons are in nice order as well. The steering wheel, part perforated, flat bottom, lovely red stitch follows through. Now the steering wheel itself is in nice order, so there's no discoloration from rubbing away. There's no signs of any sort of large nicks from rings or bracelets. Same goes for the grab handle on the door, as that's also upholstered in the lovely leather. So, specification wise, as I mentioned, this is an impressive vehicle. So we've got 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, park folding mirrors, we've got our central lock-in, electric boot opening, automatic lights. This vehicle supplied with both keys, leather multifunction steering wheel, so you can control most things off of this. We've got our voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls, all the controls for the display up ahead. So as we're doing this video today, this vehicle's only covered 30,153 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got our trip computer, audio, telephone all up on there, assistant, service settings, and so on. Now this is the automatic vehicle, so your gear shifters just from the steering column. You've got the flappy paddles allowing you to drive the car manually. Coming through to the centre display, you get a nice bigger screen on the facelift models. So we've got this nice big screen. The whole system is very nice and easy to use. It's all just press of a button or flick of the scroll wheel. So we've got a full FM radio there. Clicking back through media, so this is basically media interface. One, you've got your Bluetooth audio as well as your disc. Going through telephone, full Bluetooth phone connectivity, internet capabilities, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and then you've got all your vehicle settings on there as well. Now, flicking the car into reverse, reversing camera engages straight away. You've got the guidance lines on there, so when you turn the wheel it shows you where you're going. You've got the drive select on there as well, so you can fully adjust it to the way you want it. You've got off-road thanks to the 4Matic 4-wheel drive. You've got eco mode, you've got comfort, sport, and you do feel a difference when you alter the selectable driving modes. You've got vehicle data on there and vehicle individual configuration, so that basically allows you to adjust the drive to exactly the way you want it. Your climate control, your drive, your steering, your stop start. Now, coming through to the bottom, you'll find all the shortcut buttons for the display. You'll find your heated front seats, your hill descent, traction control, as well as your parking sensors, automatic stop start, dual zone climate control with air conditioning. Under here you'll find your 12-volt power outlet and a nice storage cubby, central cup holders, central scroll wheel for the display, armrest is in lovely order. Within there is 2 USBs for phone charging. So just before we finish the video, I'll show you through to the boot, and I'll show you through to the back seats as well. So as I mentioned, it's an electric tailgate, so it's literally just press of a button that glides up and down. Coming through to the rear, again, fantastic order. So all the seats, no signs of any sort of rips, tears. You've got a central armrest on this one with the cup holders which come out. You've got rear vents, so the passengers in the back get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. You've got a 12-volt power outlet down there, so you can charge your phones as you're driving along. The backs of the front seats haven't been kicked and scratched to death. They're in nice order. And then for a sort of small cross SUV, you get quite a bit of luggage space in the rear. So split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. 12-volt power outlet, so if you're looking to travel, keep a cool box in the back, you can do. Opening this up, you'll find a lot more storage under there as well. You'll find your first aid kit, and your tyre inflation kit will go in there as well. So, nice car, fantastic specification, arguably one of the most desirable colours for these vehicles. Looks fantastic on the bigger alloy wheels. If you'd like anything further on this car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. I always recommend having a look at our reviews. So we are a 5-star dealer. We've got 500 5-star reviews from verified buyers. If you were to go through to our Facebook page, you'll see happy customers who've travelled the distance to collect their cars. You'll see the level of stock that we have here at Alpha Motors. But thank you for watching. Anything further, please do get in touch, and we look forward to your inquiry.